Welcome the our channel. Today we how to save on gas with Shell, beginner guide step by step clearly. To save on gas with Shell, start by signing up for the Shell Fuel Rewards program. Visit the Shell website or download the Shell app to create your account. Provide the necessary personal information to complete your registration. Once registered, check for any promotional offers available in your area. Link a payment method to your account for seamless transactions. Next, download the Shell app if you haven't already done so. The app may provide exclusive discounts and promotions. Regularly check the app for points you've earned on fuel purchases. Consider using the Shell Fuel Rewards card when filling up. At the pump, use your linked Fuel Rewards card to apply discounts automatically. Look for gas stations that offer additional rewards based on your location. Keep an eye out for special event days when fuel prices drop. Opt for Shell gas stations that participate in the Fuel Rewards program. Combine multiple rewards offers for the maximum savings. Follow Shell on social media for updates on promotions and savings tips. Always compare prices at nearby Shell stations to find the best deal. Plan your fills strategically to take advantage of fluctuating gas prices. Review your Fuel Rewards account regularly to track your savings. Take advantage of any loyalty rewards programs offered by Shell. Share the program benefits with friends and family to maximize group savings. Stay informed about upcoming changes to the Fuel Rewards program. With these steps, you can effectively save on gas while using Shell services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.